Ever wondered how a simple app transformed itself into the world's popular photo-sharing network? Then, you're in the right place. Join us as we take a fascinating dive into the vibrant and inspiring history of Instagram. Discover how it started, how it grew, and how it influences the world of social media as we know it today. Venture with us on this journey as we explore the humble beginnings of this celebrated app, unveiling the story of Instagram from its inception. Listen to the thrilling tale of determination, innovation, and a revolutionary idea that led to its remarkable growth. This was far from a straightforward journey. Instagram faced intense competition, yet it slithered its way through to become an indispensable force within social media platforms. Let's gaze into the timeline of Instagram's unprecedented growth, right from the time it was just a blip on a single developer's radar to its present status as a global social media trendsetter. Be amazed by the staggering numbers, the tremendous user base that it has garnered from all parts of the world. Witness how Instagram has redefined the realm of social media, bringing unique perspectives to our fingertips, bridging geographical gaps, fostering connections, and driving digital trends. Observe its impact, not only on individuals, but also its game-changing effects on industries such as advertising, fashion, and media. Join us as we unravel the extraordinary story behind the Instagram we know and love today. It's not just a tale of an app's evolution, but also a tale of changing times and an evolving digital culture. Let this story ignite your imagination as you contemplate the transformative power of a simple idea effectively executed. In 2010, a run-of-the-mill app by the name of Bourbon drew the attention of creators Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. Intrigued by its potential, they decided to restructure the app to prioritize photo sharing, resulting in the birth of the platform we now know as Instagram. The app quickly gained traction, drawing in millions of users worldwide with its user-friendly interface and aesthetic appeal. The introduction of unique features such as filters revolutionized digital photography, empowering ordinary users to transform their photos into works of art with just a few taps on their screen. Around 2 years after its launch, Instagram caught the eye of social media giant Facebook. Impressed by its rapid growth, Mark Zuckerberg acquired the platform in what remains one of the biggest tech acquisitions to date. Under Facebook's aegis, Instagram made significant strides, continually enhancing its features and broadening its user base. As we delve deeper into the captivating history, we cannot overlook Instagram Stories, a feature that set a new benchmark in the world of social media. Introduced in 2016, Instagram Stories changed the way users shared their life moments, enabling them to do so in a more ephemeral way. Not to forget IGTV, a standalone vertical video application released by Instagram in 2018 as a challenger to YouTube. Instagram's journey from a simple photo-sharing app to a dominant social media platform is a testament to its continual evolution and adaptation in response to user needs. Indeed, its story serves as a beacon of inspiration in the rapidly changing landscape of technological innovation that we are a part of today. We explore the role of Instagram in spearheading societal changes, signaling the transformative power of technology. Instagram's astounding success is not merely a result of luck or coincidence. It is a concoction of strategic foresight, impeccable timing, and keen understanding of its demographic. This unique blend has allowed Instagram to remain resilient in the highly competitive realm of social media platforms. More than that, it has effectively identified and capitalized on the patterns and current societal trends, thus constantly offering fresh, relevant content that keeps users continuously engaged and coming back for more. Instagram's foray into combining commerce with social interaction through features such as Instagram Shopping is yet another example of its innovative approach to evolving user needs. With these relentless endeavors, Instagram has not just thrived, but redefined the realm of social media. In our next installment, brace yourself for an in-depth look at how Instagram has contributed to reshaping digital marketing strategies and pushing the boundaries of conventional advertising. The case of Instagram serves as a quintessential example of how technology continues to revolutionize our everyday lives. A snapshot started it all. Let's start from where it all began. Instagram was born in 2010, conceived by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. They imaginatively combined the aspects of social networks and photography to create something groundbreaking and unique. Instagram was an instant success, reaching 1 million users by the end of the year. From click to flicker. A lot of what made Instagram unique was its simplicity and elegance. The platform was easy to navigate and offered users a new and charming way to share their lives visually. But things really kicked off when they introduced filters, adding an artistic flair to every picture. The billion-dollar click. 2 years into its meteoric rise, Instagram caught the attention of Mark Zuckerberg. In 2012, Facebook bought Instagram for a whopping $1 billion. Since then, Instagram has become a powerful tool in Facebook's arsenal, helping them stay relevant in the ever-evolving sphere of social media. Controversial changes. Instagram hasn't been without its controversies. The privacy policy changes in 2012 led to an uproar among users. In 2016, the switch from chronological timelines to algorithmic timelines provoked much discussion. Nevertheless, Instagram managed to adapt and evolve while retaining its dominant position in the industry. Redefining social media. Through its 10 years of existence, Instagram has significantly redefined social media. From introducing revolutionary features like Stories and IGTV to being an incredible platform for influencers and marketers, Instagram has indisputably shaped today's digital world. Present to future. If we look at recent technological advancements, we see exciting possibilities on the horizon. What was once the realm of science fiction is now becoming a tangible reality. In the present, we find our lives intertwined with technology, from communication devices to automation systems. We are all connected in a global network, where data flows freely and where all knowledge is at our fingertips. Yet, as we sit on the edge of the digital age, what prospects hold the future? We envision a future where technology will be even more firmly embedded into our lives. Think of smart homes that gather information about our daily habits and adjust accordingly to bring maximum comfort and efficiency. Not to mention, the emergence of electric cars and self-driving vehicles will reshape our conception of transport, making our commutes safer and more efficient. Digital learning, too, will revolutionize the educational system, providing access to education for everyone around the world, irrespective of their geographical location. Artificial intelligence will also play a crucial role in this future. Already a significant topic of discussion today, it has immense potential. Imagine an AI so advanced, it not only performs calculations, but also understands human emotions, making it capable of interacting with us in a more humane and empathetic manner. Which is not to say that AI will replace humans entirely, but rather work alongside us, enhancing our capabilities manifold. Of course, with such advancements, we must also be aware of potential risks and work to minimize them. We must aim to create a balance where technology aids us, but doesn't overpower our lives. It is the responsibility of technologists, lawmakers, and society as a whole to strategize and implement a plan that ensures technology is used ethically and fairly. So, as we shift from the present to the future, we have thrilling technological riding on the wave of progress. But with all its potential, the future also brings with it the responsibility to handle this progress in a way that benefits us all. The task may seem daunting, but with careful planning and thoughtful implementation, we can transition into the future in a way that not only preserves our humanity, but enhances it. Today, Instagram stands tall with over 1 billion active users worldwide and shows no signs of slowing down. As we keep scrolling and double-tapping, one can only imagine what the future holds for this ever-evolving platform.